Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne did just that. From 1922 to 1990, his life was a relentless rhythm of involuntary interruptions, hiccuping an estimated 430 million times. Doctors were baffled, unable to find a cure for this bizarre condition that started after a farm accident. Osborne's hiccups finally ceased one morning in 1990, just a year before he passed away. His astonishing record remains a medical mystery and a testament to human endurance. How did he manage to live a relatively normal life amid such a continuous challenge? The story of Charles Osborne is as fascinating as it is mind-boggling, a true marvel of human resilience.